Now that you have the font set in your master and for all the other levels and you have the colors set, the very first one that you click for layouts is going to be the title slide when they look at your theme. So this you can tell up by the top. It's called the title slide, Pink Bricks title slide. So here you might want to make a little difference. Like you might say, well, I wonder if I want to have this in a different place on the title slide, or maybe you want to click on this box and you'd like to change the color of the background so there's some contrast between the font and them seeing the font. Like here, I might go on the second little box and fill the color in of sort of a dark gray to contrast with this lighter gray that I have. And then maybe I'll move it up. So you can just play around with how the font is. Keep the font the same all the way down, because the consistent font all the way down in all the slides makes the person using it see that their whole slideshow looks consistent and looks good. So this is the title slide, and it has the same background as the master. The second one here is called the section header. Now you can decide if you'd like to keep this background, like mine has the bricks with the 3 bricks, or if you go ahead and click, you can change the background, and this is where you can choose one of the other designs you have. So I might look and say, I think my section header, I'd like to choose a different design. So you don't have to choose your designs in order from however many designs you have. I think I'll check this one here, and it will change the background of just this slide. As you can see, your title one still has that background. This one now has my second background. And I might say, I like the way that looks. I like the way that the white font looks on mine. And now I'm going to go to the next one. Here's a title and a body slide. So you can see all of these here. These are what are going to be looked at when people are adding different things onto their slide. You might click on here and go, I kind of want those to be, maybe you want them to be a different size than what they are, or maybe you want them smaller, maybe you want them bigger. I think maybe 18. I kind of want them at 18. Maybe you think that the gray doesn't work as well. But since I don't want this very, very, very busy background, again, I click with 2 fingers. I change the background. I choose a different background. I think I'll choose my second design as the background for this title and body. So that this white kind of looks pretty good. And this light gray looks pretty good here. So I could decide that maybe I want this to be a little lighter, just looking at it and I'll say, maybe I'll do a little lighter gray. So, and then this one's done. So as you go down, slide by slide, you add in your background, and you can see there's differences. Like this is called a title in 2 columns. So there's the title and there's the 2 columns. If you think that the 2 columns, if it's kind of the wrong color, first put in that background. 2 fingers, change background, choose one of your PNGs. I'll choose this third one, and then see how it looks. And I might go, well, this still is a little light for this background. So maybe I'll click on the box. Make sure you click on the actual box with the crisscross. Maybe I'll make this a little lighter because it stands out. And I'll do the same thing. I click the box, I click the text color, make it a little lighter. So it doesn't take very long to go through all of the different types of slides. Each slide will come up with that master, but you can add in all of your different 10 designs and see how they look. Then you'll have all of them called pink bricks. They'll all be put in with your PNG designs, and then we can move on to saving them.